Ciao, I'm Federica Serra, your Italian teacher from speakinitalian.com. Ci ha visto? Ci penso un po'. Ci vado domani. Let's talk about this. Have you ever felt overwhelmed about the Italian particle ci? Can you use it correctly? I know this Italian particle is everywhere, but don't worry because it is going to be better after watching this video. In this video, you're going to learn 4 different ways to use the Italian particle ci. I'm gonna put some light over this favorite topic. Sei pronto? Iniziamo! First of all, let me say that if you are here with me now watching this video, it is probably because you've never heard about the Italian particle ci and you're curious to know what is it. Or it is probably because you already know the particle ci, but you can't understand how to use it and when to use it. Well, let me say that the secret is to know that the Italian particle ci is used in place of something else. So now let's see the 4 cases, the 4 ways to use ci. Caso numero 1. Ci used in place of a noi, literally us. Well, let's practice immediately. What if you wanted to translate in Italian, Laura saw us at the pub? Well, in Italian it would be Laura ci ha visto al pub. Again, Laura ci ha visto al pub. Ci is a noi. And so this long sentence, Laura ha visto a noi al pub, just becomes Laura ci ha visto al pub. Laura ci ha visto al pub. Ci comes before the verb and it means a noi. Laura ci ha visto. Laura ha visto a noi. Let's see another example. Let's say your mother made us a cake. In Italian it is tua madre ci ha fatto una torta. Again, tua madre ci ha fatto una torta. Well, again, ci is in place of a noi. So this sentence could have been tua madre ha fatto una torta a noi. But this is quite long, boring, and we really don't use it. So we prefer using ci, put ci before the verb, and that's it. Tua madre ci ha fatto una torta. And now let's see one last example for this first case to use ci. Let's say the police has found us. Well, in Italian, la polizia ci ha trovato. Well, again, ci is in place of a noi. So this sentence could have been la polizia ha trovato a noi. But this doesn't sound natural at all, so you will never hear an Italian mother tongue saying la polizia ha trovato a noi. No. We keep it simple, we just use ci. La polizia ci ha trovato. La polizia ci ha trovato. So make sure to use ci in place of a noi and make sure to use it before the verb. Caso numero 2. Ci in place of a questo, about this, and a quello, about that, with the verbs pensare, to think, and riflettere, that means think again. Let's make straight away an example. Did you think about my offer? Yeah, I did think about it. Well, you see, in English you use it in order not to repeat about the offer. You could have said, oh yes, I did think about the offer. But to make it simple, you just use it in place of about the offer. Same in Italian. Hai pensato alla mia offerta? Sì, ci ho pensato. Well, ci is in place of about the offer. So this sentence could have been sì, ho pensato all'offerta or sì, ho pensato all'offerta che mi hai fatto. But to make it easier, we just use ci in place of about what. So let's repeat the short dialogue again. Hai pensato alla mia offerta? Sì, ci ho pensato. Meaning, sì, ho pensato all'offerta. Let's see another short dialogue as example. Have you thought about our relationship? Oh yes, I've thought about it a lot. In Italian, Hai riflettuto sulla nostra relazione? Sì, ci ho riflettuto molto. So as you can see, ci again is in place of something because we don't want to repeat about what. So the sentence could have been sì, ho riflettuto molto sulla nostra relazione. But this is repetitive and long. So we keep it simple using ci in place of about what. And so we have our nice sentence, sì, ci ho riflettuto molto. Ci ho riflettuto molto. Terzo caso, ci used in place of con lui, con lei, con loro, which is with him, with her, with them. Or a lui, a lei, a loro, which is to him, to her, to them. Or about him, about her, about them. But let's see immediately a few examples. Did you speak to Laura? Yes, I did speak to her. Well, in Italian, hai parlato a Laura? Or hai parlato con Laura? Sì, ci ho parlato. So as you can see here, ci is in place of a lei. So the sentence could have been sì, ho parlato a lei. Or sì, ho parlato con lei, con Laura. But of course, it's not very natural. So as mother tongue, I'd use ci. Sì, ci ho parlato. Let's repeat the short dialogue again. Hai parlato con Laura? Sì, ci ho parlato. Let's see another example. Do you still think about your ex? Yes, I do still think about her. In Italian, pensi ancora alla tua ex? Sì, ci penso ancora. So again, ci is in place of a lei. So the sentence could have been sì, penso ancora a lei. But this is not natural, so in place of a lei, we simply use ci. Sì, ci penso ancora. Quarto caso. Ci in place of lì, there, qui, here, in quel posto or in quel luogo, in that place, in questo posto or luogo, in this place. Let's see an example. Are you going to the party tonight? Yes, I'm going there. In Italian, vai alla festa stanotte? Sì, ci vado. Well, ci is in place of alla festa. So the sentence could have been sì, vado alla festa. But this is not natural and repetitive also, so we prefer using ci in place of alla festa. Make sure to put ci before the verb. Sì, ci vado. Let's see another example. Have you ever been to Rome? Yes, I've been there in 2008. In Italian, sei mai stata a Roma? Sì, ci sono stata nel 2008. Well, so as you can see, ci here is in place of a Roma. So the sentence could have been sì, sono stata a Roma nel 2008, but again it's not natural, so we use ci in place of a Roma. Sì, ci sono stata nel 2008. Bene, ce l'abbiamo fatta! In this video you've learned 4 different ways to use the Italian particle ci. And as I told you at the very beginning of this video, ci is everywhere. We just keep using it. And we use ci in lots of different situations. In this video you've learned 4 of these situations. Don't worry about making mistakes. Practice a lot and throw yourself. Everyone has to learn through its own mistakes. That's why it's such important to make mistakes, to learn through them. And thanks to them. Well, now it's time to say goodbye. But before saying goodbye, I want you to write down in the comments below a beautiful Italian sentence using the particle ci. I can't wait to read your comments. I'm so curious. If you like my video, give me a thumb up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And click the bell up here to get notifications every time I put on a new video. And don't forget to share this with your friends. Grazie per essere stato con me. Ci vediamo nel prossimo video. Ti auguro buona giornata. Ciao! If you want to practice your Italian with me, feel free to contact me to my email that you find in the description below. I'll answer you as soon as possible. to decide together what time is the most suitable for you to have the private individual lesson. Thank you so much! The next step is to download my free ebook, Guide to the Typical Situations, which helps you master your Italian. In those typical situations you will surely find yourself once in your life. Remember to subscribe to my channel for more free lessons. Thanks so much for learning with me. Ciao!